Hello guys, samahan niyo ako dito sa HMR Trading House na kung saan ang daming imported products na mababa ang price, cheaper price. Marami rin silang shoes na sale, t-shirt, blouse, at iba pang mga gamit na pambata, pangmatanda at saka pambahay. Kung hanap nyo mga murang appliances, dito na kayo sa HMR Trading House. Marami silang sale na product at saka mga bagong product ngayon. Ang location ng HMR, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box sa mga gustong pumunta. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Sana makatulong to sa mga naghahanap ng mga imported na product na medyo affordable price. Thank you. Maganda yung kapit kong yan sa mahilig magpamassage. Talagang nakaka-relax. Panilagay mo sa likod mo. Yan, marami silang item na pang-gym. Sa mga gustong magkaroon ng muscle. Meron din silang air cooler. Ba't iba yan? May mga relo din sila. Depende sa item na gusto mo. Meron din sila mga shade sa mga naghanap ng branded na relo, shade, earphone, computer, yung mga pambatang car na ikaw mismo magpapatakbo, rechargeable, meron din sila. Marami silang laruan na pambata, mga gamit, mga appliances, mga upuan, lamesa. Yan, sa mga gustong magkaroon ito sa bahay, yan, mura lang yan. Punta na kayo dito sa HMR.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.